Hey everybody, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, what we've got going today is we're replacing the little head, or the little mounting tab that goes into the top of the tripods. You can go to thrift stores and find many tripods of different price ranges that are going for just a few dollars because they're missing this part. This is like inexpensive, like $15 tripod. It's not worth spending 10 bucks to get a replacement part. So I decided could I try to make some out of thermoplastic. This is a plastic when you heat up in water, it becomes moldable like clay. Then it hardens to a stiff white plastic product. And I just put a tablespoonful in some water, put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then after I let it sit for about 2 minutes, I was able to press it down inside the top of the tripod. Initially, I tried it with WD-40, but you know, it just started sticking and it became a big mess. So I said, let me try some plastic wrap, and it worked out good. Let me show you. Where's the, oh, there it is. It's covered by the plastic wrap. The design popped out really well. I'll be able to take a rotary tool and just carve off this excess part and sand down the top. And it takes 1/4 inch threads. I think it's 1/4 by 20. This is a round top. I need a flat top. This one is not long enough though. This is, you need a flat screw. This is a round top. So this is the right thread, but it's just the wrong head. So I'll just pop a hole in there, and maybe a little bit smaller than the screw, so the screw will go in and it won't be loose. Okay, this is what it looks like after I drilled the hole. And I took an X-Acto knife and I carved off the excess. And I took a razor blade and I wallowed out a little hole there so the head of the machine screw would fit down snug. And I took some sandpaper and I sanded this down to make it a little bit thin. I could thin it out some more. Let's see how well it. So if you have a tripod that's missing the mounting part, go ahead and get you some of this poly plastic. Real simple. Tablespoonful in hot water, let it sit for 2 minutes, and you can mold it like clay and pop it in there, squeeze it in like I showed you. Use some plastic wrap so you don't get stuck and you're good to go. Imagine how many thrift store tripods are out there that are just begging for somebody to pick up and they don't have a little mount. Now you can make one. And like I said, this is 1/4 inch by 20 screws. You can get them for just like $1 at the hardware store. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.